Hello friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make this delicious garlic bread chicken Alfredo recipe. This is such a tasty treat for a meal. Every bite is crispy, ooey gooey, creamy and delicious. Let's get started. We're using chicken thighs cut up into bite-sized pieces for this recipe, and we're going to season the chicken with all the spices I'm showing on the screen. These are my favorite combination of spices for chicken, but of course you can use your favorite spices. Add a little bit of salt and pepper, then mix everything together. Once everything is very well mixed in, we're going to cook the chicken. Drizzle some olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Toss in some butter. Then as soon as the butter has melted into the oil, add the chicken. Arrange the chicken into a single layer. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on one side. Then turn them over and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. Once the chicken has turned golden brown and is fully cooked, take it out of the pan and set aside for later. Next, melt some butter in the pan, then add some minced garlic. Sauté the garlic for 30 seconds to release its flavor, then add some heavy cream. Next, add some Parmesan cheese and the same spices we used to flavor the chicken. Mix everything together, allow the sauce to come to a simmer, then season with salt and black pepper to taste. Next, add all the drippings from the chicken we cooked into the sauce. Mix everything in and let the sauce cook on medium heat for a minute or two until it thickens. Add some dried parsley, mix that in, take the sauce off the heat and set aside for later. Next, in a small bowl, combine some softened butter, minced garlic and dried parsley. Mix together and set aside. Next, grab a loaf of French bread and divide it lengthwise. Then spread the garlic butter mixture all over each half of the bread. Next, we're going to bake the bread at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. That way the garlic butter can infuse the bread. Once the bread comes out of the oven, spread on a good amount of the creamy Alfredo sauce. Next, add a thick layer of mozzarella cheese. Then we're going to top with the cooked chicken, then drizzle the remaining Alfredo sauce all over the chicken. Next, we're going to bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. And here is the garlic bread chicken Alfredo when it's fresh out of the oven. This will come out smelling so good and delicious. The bread has soaked in all of that cheesy, creamy goodness, and the outside is so crispy. I want you guys to take a listen. It's so crispy on the outside when you bite into it. Look at all that creamy, cheesy chicken goodness. Every bite of this garlic bread chicken Alfredo is so tasty. Seriously, you guys need to treat yourself to this recipe. It's going to be a dream come true for your mouth. It's a layer upon layer of amazing flavors and different textures. The garlic butter flavor on the bread and the crispy outside combined with the ooey gooey soft inside tastes like heaven in your mouth. If you guys would like to try this delicious garlic bread chicken Alfredo recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.